a horrible gambling addiction.
Bro has a gambling addiction because he's an or-less fatherless queso all blood.
But not in the way you think. You think I'm going at slot machine saying, let's go gambling.
Gamble core in the big 25 bro fell off and has no aura brew.
But I'm actually at my local Target punching 10-year-olds
Bro punches little kids.
for a pack of Pokemon cards. No, but seriously, why am I walking into stores seeing grown men fight over shiny cards?
They are probably fighting over who will humble your child punching food, munching gamble hoarding ass.
Now, don't get me wrong, I am a big fan of Pokemon cards, but I hate how hard it is to buy even a single pack, which is why I think I've come up with a solution and have created my own collectible card.
Nobody wants your Diddy console, bro.
That's right, you no longer have to jump a small child
Only person punching children for cards is your little Diddy blood.
to get a really cool card. If you want to get your own Jelly Bean card, just go to crayocards.com/jelly